Okay, so if you are ready, I have another thing for you to do. Now your job is you will act out the conversation. You will keep the answer to yourself. Yeah, you will keep the answer to yourself. Now you will act out. You will come in front. You will act out the conversation to your friends. And the other rule, when your friend act out the conversation, listen carefully and then look at your sheet in order to find out the status, in order to assess the status, distance, intensity, politeness, directness, and formality, as you did with your conversation while you watching your friends. Okay, so for example, at the conversation, I will act out with my friend like this. I will come in front and I will act out with my friend like this. I have just broke up with my boyfriend. I'm so sad. So sad. So sad. Oh, don't be so sad. There's another person waiting for you. You should forget him. And we can hang out together. So after watching this one, and you will discuss with your partner, and you find out the status, the distance, the intensity. Okay, everybody? Yeah. On the bus? Right, cool. Okay, so now, which group you will volunteer? Okay, so this pair first. Yeah, come in front. Okay, good. So now, you will act out the conversation. They will act out the conversation. So, what do you think about the status? Equal? Distant? Intensity? Good. Do you agree with this Dutch group? You got the answer? Okay, yeah, that's good. You may see that the status is, the distance is, the intensity is. Yeah,